As Jamaica officially begins life after Captain Horace Morel, the mission is to find the best leader to take the football forward. We look at some of the leading contenders, starting with the controversial and eccentric Craig Butler. A whole heap of people say this and say that about Craig Butler. But let me say this: if Craig Butler turns out to be the best person we can find to rescue Jamaica's football and drive it forward, then why not Craig Butler? For me personally, Craig Butler has a ready-made advantage over all the other potential candidates. This man believes in and values the talent of young Jamaican players. This is a man who not only talk the talk, but him walk the walk. His very claim to fame lies in his success in investing in and developing young Jamaican players. Craig Butler, against all the odds, has proven that the same Jamaican youths who so many people write off, say they don't have no talent and they don't have no discipline and they're not going away. Out of that condemned group, Mr. Butler, in very short order, nurtured and developed at least one player in Leon Bailey, valued and sold at 19 years old for nearly £20 million. Now that kind of belief and passion and faith in the talent and quality of Jamaican players is exemplary and has helped to reinforce the point that Jamaican players can be developed to the very top level. Now, if I had a vote, that philosophy and that kind of thinking is something I would vote for in my football leader. I don't have no vote. But don't you touch the dial. Stay tuned as we look at some more candidates coming soon.